Riyadh Knives EXOK Curbit. So there's a trainer and there's actual Curbit. So there's a button right here, but it's not like a regular folding knife. It will have to clear this last section. So how does this work? Probably would recommend trying it with this trainer. It's not sharp, the blue one. Then close it. Boom. Now let's go quick. Hold it this way, flip it over, boom, lock it. And the actual knife, the sharp one, is a lot more smoother, so just boom, and press it, let go, like that. That's it. So smooth. I can even hear the clickiness. Like they have to have a certain like flick to it for it to deploy all the way. Press it. You see, not enough click, it will not work. So nice. And let's see if I can flick it out all the way. Move the camera this way right here. That's kind of fancy way to do it. Okay, one more time, fancy way to do it. Definitely takes a little bit of practice, but you see how it didn't get deployed all the way. So just press the button, boom. Still practicing. I only been practicing for 1 day and already got it. And I'm not good with the butterfly knives or anything like that. This is just totally different. With the trainer, I'm a little bit more comfortable and confident. Super cool. Very unique fidgety knife. Riyadh Knives signature, there's only made 100 of them and none of them are similar. So this is a zircon T insert right here, handle, and a titanium handle on the sides. As a lock, it's a gravity knife. I love it. And what's so special about this one, look at that patterns, and none of them are the same patterns. That's beautiful. Okay, there's one more. Kind of like the dagger shape way better. This one is like wavy this way, just a little bit different. Wow. I know how to choose, and this one is a dagger style. This one is Tanto. And both of them are just insanely beautiful, and only 100 of them made. What do you guys think? That's definitely a nice collection pieces right here. Like America handle is more of like everyday use. This one would be a collector items. They'll go up to $450, and they go up in value, that's for sure. And serial number is right here and everything. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful color to it right here. Riyadh EXO M. This one is a bit blasted burl line America. So very cool, like a signature insert right here. It's a Kakamo. I got this one at a blade show, really hard to find, and I just love it. This is medium EXO, serial number 404-05-2023. What do you guys think? It's a beautiful, good looking dark camo with white, kind of perfect for winter, I guess, with like a muddy snow and stuff. Name of the model. And it has a lock to where it's not going to come off. Beautiful. It does have a little bit shakiness to it, but it's just a nature of gravity knives. They all have to go up and down freely. So when it's locked, it's going to have a little shake, but if I hold it tight, there's no wiggle. Just a little tiny, but it doesn't bother me. I love the design. I went to Blade Show Orlando and got this incredible knife. Really hard to find them. This is Demco knives, custom knives, shark lock, AD20. Let's open it up. Beautiful holster over here with the patch. Demco shark lock. And this is a custom. It costed me $2,000. Before you're going to say it was too expensive, people buy them for $4,000. and they are incredibly hard to get, like on eBay and such websites. Wow, really soft. The only way you can pretty much buy the custom ones are at the blade show, and the way it works, push, and it not just pull back right here, it pulls up a little bit, and then it pulls up a little bit, and it's so smooth. So first of all, easy to close and open this way. Thumb stud, incredibly smooth. Wow, I should have got a couple of them. I love this anodized, I think, titanium handle, and it looks like teeth. Wow, beautiful. And on the inside over here it says Magna Cut. Beautiful. Look how thick that blade is, and it's not even that heavy. Let's see, perfectly balanced knife, that's why I would hold it. So it's just very comfortable to hold it. It's not too heavy on the phone, not too heavy in the back, just perfectly level knife. Incredible. So this makes a really nice collector knife, but also I wouldn't be afraid using it because it is incredibly strong knife too. It will last a lifetime. Micatech ram lock. This is probably the most desirable Micatech this year. They sell out so quickly and they're pretty affordable. So it's not automatic knife. Usually it's assisted or automatic. This one has a button and it's easy to flick it out, and that's all the ram lock means. So this is a Borka blade collaboration with Stitch, and this one has a frog design on it, or like pineapple look to it. There's a Borka logo, and I think there's a Micatech logo right here. Yes, M390 MK steel blade. There's the serial number and such. Oh wow, 112 or 6 2023. I got it at Blade Show. Very happy to get one. Very hard to get. So flips this way really easy. Thumb stud of slow way to open it. I pull on both sides right here and flick it out. It's just so fidgety. I love it. Oh, still have to practice a little bit. Kind of getting tired or something, but there you go. It is such a comfortable knife. The stitch, this is something to work on. Thumb rest over here with the like non-slip, and go like this way, or just hold it this way. Either way, cooking with it, cutting stuff, just a perfect knife. I love it. And the ram lock is just beautiful too. Left hand, it just completely smooth out, and that's how it looks like. It's just a notch in there, locks in into that notch, and it locks in. And also ram lock, there is MSI G10 orange. I have a couple of them. Really hard to get these ones. I've been wanting to get them for months, but they always sell out within minutes when the Micatech release them on their website or other websites. This is only $250, $280, depends on the serration. This one takes a minute to practice. I never seen this kind of design before. I wonder if it's just a new one. And same thing, ram lock. Beautiful blade, comfortable, long enough to go camping with, cooking with it, work with the other stuff, cutting the rope and such. This is number 65 05 20 23. They all have serial number, different locations sometimes. Let's see if I can do it with one finger. Yeah, I love it. That button is so soft and the knife is so smooth. One finger, two fingers, very fidgety. Let's see, it's like a thumb stud type of way to open it. Okay, yeah, very flippable, different ways to open and close it. I love it. Beautiful knife, ram lock, incredibly desirable knife right here by Micatech. Herotech knives, Clerk 2 Double H DLC Ultra Cover and Lay. Got this one a blade show. Let's see, comes with the oil. Wow, this one is so cool. It has this see-through scale, but on both sides. I never seen anything like that before. So there's a button and we can see the spring opening it. Wow, that's a really long knife, and it's very like light. That's where the balance is. That's pretty much where I'll be holding it. That's where it's comfortable to hold it, to open it and close. Incredibly light knife, and I love it how there's both ways to see it, see through completely, right here especially. So it's kind of cool to see the mechanics of the knife. Let me see if I can pull it on this side. Wow, that's fast. Probably cool to see in slow motion how it's like flies out and closing it. That is so cool. Very smooth. I really like that button Herotech has on them. Love it. There's a clip. One of a kind knife right here for sure. I love how big that is. Protect Blade HQ exclusive Desert Warrior. This thing is so funny. People love them. Check this out. So it looks like a donut sprinkled with blue clip and blade. Boom. That's hilarious. But people love them. 1054 cm steel. The button is actually pretty nice and deep. It will not open accidentally. There is quite a good amount of pressure has to be done to open it, but there is no safety or anything. Very unique knife, that's for sure. Demco Shark Lock Performance First Custom Shop AD20. I got this at the Blade Show. These things are so popular. They sell out in minutes. Wow, check this out. I like that green. And it pulls up a little bit. That's how it opens. I really love the mechanics. And then it opens and closes. That's about $400 knife. Beautiful. Demco knives. It's one of a kind, a locking mechanism. I really enjoy this, but also really strong sits there, very comfortable. Also for precision cutting, there is a way to hold it this way and this way. Work on, like, you know, wood. This is very comfortable this way, or like cooking and cutting normal way this way. But I love that. It's so fidgety. And I like it how big that is too. There's a way to open it slowly. Yeah, these things are incredibly popular. If you're just getting into knife collecting, this is definitely one of them must have. And another one, Micatech Ultratech Desert Warrior. That's hilarious. Looks like a donut. I love this screws painted. The back right here. And this one is double edge, which I never had before. Got it at Blade Show. And on the back right here, there's actual donut. So cool. And it says 11/20/22. That's when it was made. Wow, that's so cool. Purple button and push, and there's a secondary push, like even harder, so it's like built-in safety. This is nice and safe knives. Most of the people I give this to could not open it with one hand. It takes a little bit of practice and muscle memory, and then it's a piece of cake. CVV Aurora, beautiful axe over here. Diamond pattern, black G10 handle, black stonewash D2 blade. So very nice steel for the axe. And what's so unique about this axe, comes with this little swag over here. It's first of all a hatchet, perfect for camping and such, and then it becomes a little knife for chopping, for like carving things. So in a sense it's a knife axe. So cool. There's thumb holder, very nice and precise for cooking, chopping vegetables, meats. Feels like just a really nice, like a clever axe, kitchen axe. There's a way to hold it this way, very comfortable. Finger hold, it's just beautiful. Or to chop wood and things like that, I'd hold it as low as possible to get more leverage. That is just a beautiful axe. I really love the design. And as you can see, it's all one piece of metal with the handle on top of a metal, so it is incredibly strong, it will not break. There's some designer name and then logo, D2 blade. Oh, there you go, there's a comes with a axe holder to carry it. So bring it camping, slides in this way. Ooh, that is a belt clip. So which way does it go? It goes sideways like that. So that way it pulls out this way. That is interesting. So I guess on the back, or it can go onto the backpack belt. Either way, on a strap goes this way too. If the strap goes over here, maybe on the front pocket, back pocket, strap, either way. And it has this open and closes clip. Nice. You really have to push it to open it. CVV.